morning, folks. So, let's see. Welcome back to Good Enough Customs. So, bright and early on a Friday morning, July 7th. Favorite show of the year, Southeastern Truck Nationals, starts today. Weather's going to be hot and stanky humid. I'm already sweaty. So it's going to be a warm one, but it's in the, it's 1st of July. It's always warm. So, got all the trucks done up. Everything's cleaned up. Everything's ready to go. Just got done. Me and Jackson just got done loading up Big John, getting him ready for the show. We got our coolers, we got our grill, we got our pieces and parts and tools and stuff just in case. And yeah, we're just about ready to hit it. Jackson actually was just like, I had a rough night getting to sleep last night, Dad. I'm gonna go pick up an energy drink. So he took off to the gas station up the street. So I'm waiting on him to get back. As soon as he gets back, we are northbound. Northeastbound. Whatever. So anyway, so yeah, Big John's all shined up, ready to rock. And Jackson's truck's all shined up, Harvey Dent, he's all shined. Steve's all shined up. Steve's actually already at the show. Took him up a day early, blocked off our little section for our group of buddies. So yeah, it's ought to be a really good time. So I'm gonna finish packing up some stuff and literally get ready to hit the road as soon as Jackson gets back, because we're running a little behind, being that it's what is it, like 5:30? Oh no, I'm a little further behind. It's 5:45. So yeah, we got to skedaddle. So we're supposed to meet everybody at 6. Whoops. So anyhow, I guess I'll catch up with y'all from the show or on the road in case something weird happens. So let's just hope nothing happens this year, because last year, I think it was Saturday last year, that happened. So, let's hope that doesn't happen again. So anyhow, we'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Well, we made it with no issues. It was a nice and easy drive. So we got out here, got everything kind of set up, and people are still rolling in. It's early. It's 7:30, I think. Got the grill going, fixing to cook up some breakfast burritos. But let's see. Let's roll out here and kind of see the setup that we got going. It's a little bit cooler than it was last year, so since we could park under the pavilion this year. So we got the Good Enough crew right here. Mine is a couple, but that's okay. And then we got buddy Josh and then Taylor's truck on the other side. And then we're expecting maybe 2 more to come in and park in these 2 spots. So, but anyhow, yep, just getting ready to fix up some breakfast and have a good time. So I guess we'll catch back up later. I may go walk the swap meet, and but first we got to get breakfast going. But I might go and walk the swap meet, see what they got over there, and maybe I'll take the camera along. So yeah, good times. So yeah, I guess we'll catch up later. I figured I'd come over here and check out the swap meet area. A lot of different stuff. Got this guy sitting over here, 77 crew cab ramp truck. Might be a little high on the price. Yeah, I think he's got 12K on the sign, and yeah, nah, I think it's about 7 overpriced. So anyways, there's that. Then we got a bunch of stuff. So saw a bunch of intakes. One guy's got a bunch of intakes, a lot of body parts, wheels, you name it, emblems, lots of emblems. Then a lot of just miscellaneous pieces of parts. So there's a bunch out here. Pretty good sized little swap meet. So let's go check it out. Plenty of stuff out here at swap meet. Nothing nothing I need, so not buying anything today. Oh well, that's all right. Save my money, I suppose. So all right, I guess it's about lunchtime, so I think we're going to get over here and get to cooking up some lunch, and we'll catch back up with y'all later. Well, it happened again. Apparently I can't come to Southeastern Truck Nationals without, you know, something going wrong. So we're rolling in Jackson's truck down the interstate, and we drove it home last night because it gets best gas mileage out of all of them. And we're rolling on the interstate this morning, headed up, and I'm guessing and hoping that it was a bridge transition that we hit, and the tire must have been a little bit low. But yeah, she come right off the bead. So yeah, that sucks. And of course, hang on. Of course, we don't have a jack or spare or even a tire tool. We have jack crap to get this truck back on the road. So I hollered at Crook. Luckily, he had just left his house. So he's gonna flip around and go back. It doesn't look like the tire's actually damaged, so we're thinking it may have just popped off the bead. So what we're gonna do is try to reseat it, and he's gonna grab a jack and some brake clean and a lighter and maybe a ratchet strap, because boy, she's way off the bead. But see if we can't pop this guy on. So after I guess we're waiting on him, so as soon as he gets here, I'll update. Did I not record any of that? All right, well, Crook just pulled off. See him headed off in the dust. So luckily he had a tire, jack, and he brought his impact. And as soon as he pulled out, I don't think he was here 5 minutes. And we got it all swapped out. So there's our new tire, which is much bigger than the old tire, but whatever. All right, we're gone. See y'all at the show. All right, well, we made it. Day 2. Yesterday was just kind of a chill out day, you know, hang out, catch up, you know, hang out with friends, basically. Didn't really go around and see anything yesterday. I was kind of waiting for today, Saturday, because it's the big day where everybody shows up. But, you know, that's not without issues, obviously. So, yeah, so let's take a look at this tire that blew out. Walk over here. So here's the tire in question. I'd say our alignment's a little off, because we were down past the, yeah, there was nothing left there. So blew out the whole sidewall. But loud. So luckily though, Crook was just up the road and was able to bust the UE, go pick up a tire and a jack, and he brought his impact. So like I said, it only took us a couple minutes to get the tire changed and get back on the road. We waited for about a half hour, but maybe 45 minutes, I don't remember. But yeah, that worked out really well. So big shout out to Crook, the unofficial C10 pit crew. So anyhow, I guess we're gonna get ready for some breakfast, and I'll catch up with y'all later. First for this year, they have an inside area, so we're gonna walk around this inside area and check it out. This is where the nice stuff is. Plus it's air conditioned. It's kind of nice. So yeah, let's check it out. nice trucks in the nice indoor conditioned area. I was really tempted to buy a slide in here because I was like, let me bring my $4,500 beater Steve up here, park him, slide a piece of cardboard under it because, you know, it drips, and you know, really bring the trashiness back in. But yeah, it was like, I think it was 100 or 125 maybe. I can't remember what the price was. It was a price difference to get parked in here, but I was really tempted to do that, but I didn't. So we're parked, we're slumming it out there in the outdoors. But maybe next year, actually next year, maybe we'll bring Harvey and park him in here. That'd be great. So anyhow, we're gonna get back to it, and we'll catch up with you later. Could this be the future of the Good Enough government truck? We shall see. I am digging this. For gauges, everything you need, nothing that you don't. Heck yeah. These yellow guys, super cool folks, man. Drove up from just south of Memphis, so super awesome folks. Really like the rides, really cool trucks. This one fixing to walk over to is an S10. This fella stopped by, he saw last year's coverage, came by and talked to me, so figured I'd come take a look at his truck real quick. So this S10 is amazing. It 45, I want to say it was 45,000 miles, all original. Still has the original plugs, wires, hoses, never been touched. Looks like the only thing he's done to it is change out the wheels. And Darius, that is a great truck, man. Don't ever change it. So this guy came up to me earlier, and I apologize, I don't recall your name. I met a lot of folks this weekend, so I don't remember everybody's name. But he popped in earlier, actually yesterday, and was saying, he's just like, I have this exact same truck, except in a step side. And he's like, it's dang near the exact same on the patina. And I'm like, are you kidding? And he's telling me he was parked over this way, and I was like, I'll definitely come check it out. So it's here. And it's glorious. He may have better patina than me. I hate that. I hate you for that. But I love this truck. This is great. So yeah, I'll stop John. Gotta take a look. So look at that. If you ever decide to sell this, definitely give me a call. I probably won't have the money for it, but damn it, I'll try. This is, yeah, this is great. I would love to have a Steve replica and a step side. So, yeah, anyways, love it. This thing is awesome. I believe I would trade my soul for this truck.
Oh, son, for that you traded your everlasting soul?
Well, I wouldn't use me.
I love this truck. I didn't catch the hood. Hang on. Yeah. Yeah, I'd do it. I think I'd do it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. That paint's wild. There's a lot of pearlescent in there. Love it. That's what Big John's gonna look like one day. Probably not. All right, folks, there you have it. Southeastern Truck Nationals 2023 in the books. Fantastic show. Shh, stomach's growling. I forgot to eat lunch because I was out looking at trucks so much. But excellent show. Tons of folks. Saw a lot of old faces, a lot of familiar faces. Made some new friends. People I hope to see again. And hope to make some more friends next time. So if you're in the area, I highly recommend you go to this show. It's a damn good show. It's about 1,700 trucks. Usually it's around 1,700 trucks. It's a lot. I spent an hour and a half on a golf cart riding around, and I also walked for 2.5, 3 hours, and I didn't see everything. Lots to see, lots of folks to talk to, and that was part of the reason is I get to talking to folks and asking about their trucks. And of course, people like talking about their trucks. So anyways, we just got home and just hurriedly unpacked everything. We got a big old storm system coming in, and thankfully we got home before that hit, because driving in the rain with no air conditioning and you know, it kind of sucks. So anyhow, big thanks to Brian Ashley that puts the show on. Fantastic. You know, it was Brian puts on good shows. He's good at that stuff, so really appreciate it from him. All right, well, I guess that'll do it. I'll wrap it up, and I suppose we'll see y'all guys maybe next week, maybe the week after. And just remember, folks, it ain't got to be perfect. It's just got to be good enough. And y'all take it easy and have a good one.